In this video, I show you how you can trade cryptocurrency without using Binance. Binance has recently been banned in the United Kingdom. So for UK citizens and citizens of other countries like Egypt, Turkey, Algeria, where Binance has also been banned, then this video will show you how I get around this trading restriction using Gemini. Then the very first thing you need to do is to connect your Gemini account to your bank account. Secondly, you want to purchase the currency that you want to trade with. Lastly, you want to transfer it to the exchange where you plan to do your trading. I'm going to go over how you can open an account, how you can trade Bitcoin and a bunch of other cryptocurrencies, how you can transfer your cryptocurrency from one exchange to another, as well as how to set up alerts so you can buy or sell your crypto at certain key points that you set. Now, a couple of years ago, Gemini was only available in the United States. But right now, I've lost count of the number of countries where you can actually access Gemini and create your own account. Stay with me till the end of the video and I'll go over a list of these countries. If you are planning to open a Gemini account, then I would appreciate you using my referral link that's in the description box below. And as soon as you trade $100 worth of cryptocurrency, we both get $10 worth of Bitcoin each. So without further ado, let's get right into it. As soon as you've clicked on the link, you click on create an account and it'll bring you to this page where you'll enter your name according to how it appears on your official ID. Now the required ID would vary from country to country, so pay attention to what particular ID you need to produce. From this point on, you'll be asked to enter your country and all your details, including your bank information. Just fill everything out accordingly, and then it should take you to the home page. Now, I won't be creating a new account, but since I already have my own account, I will be logging into it, and it'll bring you to its home page where it opens up on the market page. Right on this tab, it will show you your portfolio. And if you want to view it in details, you will click on View My Portfolio. To the left, it will show you the total amount you have in your portfolio at various points in time along this graph. So this shows it on a daily basis, and if you want to see your portfolio over the period of a week or a month, then you just click on it and it does the same thing here. It shows you to the left, top left, what the total of your portfolio is over the period of time that you've clicked on. Also on this page, it shows you any alerts you might have set, and I'll show you how to set an alert a little later. Any recurring buys that you've set up to purchase a cryptocurrency over a regular period of time. Any orders that you have set, and also your completed transactions. So if I click on completed transactions, for me, it would be that this looks like yesterday I made a purchase of Bitcoin. So it would basically show all your transactions over the past few so many days. All will simply bring up all the different cryptocurrencies that this exchange actually carries. I think it carries a good 20 to 25 different cryptocurrencies. The main ones being Bitcoin, Ether, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin. So these are your more popular Bitcoins. And if you want to know how popular or how well ranked your cryptocurrency is, then you would just go to coinmarketcap.com, which is a good website to show you the rankings of the various cryptocurrencies that are out there. It's always good to create a watch list. In this case, if I want to keep an eye on Ether, then I would click on Ether, Ethereum, and just favorite it up here such that when I go back, it would be in my watch list. And if I want to keep my eye on Litecoin as well, go up here. And that's what the watch list is for. So anytime you click on watch list, it brings up your favorite cryptocurrencies or the cryptocurrencies that you just want to keep an eye on or you want to have quick access to. Top movers, basically those coins that are moving either way, whether they're moving in a positive direction or a negative. It will show you the top movers. Now today is a down day, not just for cryptocurrencies, but pretty much across the board. A lot of the stocks are just down today. Hence the red. It can show you your top traded coins as well as your DeFi coins. Also, if you wanted to purchase any one of these coins, then you would click on view details. All you would need to do is to click on the buy button. And I could pick up $100 worth of Ethereum once, just the one time, pick up $100 worth of Ethereum, review the order. You always want to buy on a down day because pretty much you're picking up your coins at a discount price. So it shows me the review information. It's deducting its fee. It's telling me it's going to use $97.01 of the $100 that I have entered. And when I confirm it, it will purchase my Ethereum. Also, if I go further down on this page, it will also show me my completed transaction right here, the transaction I just made. Okay, so we can go back to the main screen here. Now I do have a little bit of Bitcoin sitting on Gemini, so to transfer it from market, I'll just click on transfer, withdraw from Gemini. Okay, it brings me to this screen, the transfer funds screen. I'm going to select the currency that I want to transfer, which in this case is Bitcoin. Hit continue. And then I'm going to put in here the address of where I want to transfer my coin to. That's the address I want to move my Bitcoin to. Click continue again. I want to move all the Bitcoin I have. So maximum, continue. Scroll down and hit request withdrawal. On securing my two-step authentication, that completes the transfer. The last thing we'd probably want to do on this screen would be to set an alert. So you could actually click this, and what it does is whenever there's any major price movement, you'd get an alert. Or you could create your own particular target price. So right now, Ethereum is at 1717. Assuming you want to pick up some more Ethereum, if it goes down to say 1690, and that would be done right here. I'll say notify me once it comes down to 1690, and then that creates the alert. It's created, as you can see up here. And again, if we go down to the bottom of the screen and we click price alerts, there it is right here. Again, you can disable it or you can cancel it at this point. This earn is something pretty new that they've started. I think a lot of these exchanges do that. You can stake your coins in order to earn interest. And this last part, looking at if we click on the Earn tab, it just basically allows you to stake or earn interest on your coins instead of them just sitting on the exchange. Then you could kind of click earn, and then once I click earn, it begins to earn me interest basically. So if you're not so big on trading and you don't need to have quick and ready access to your coins, you're just happy to hold the coin over a long period of time, and whilst you're holding it, you might as well be earning interest, then the earn option might be a good one for you. Do please check to see if Gemini now serves your country, since it seems they're constantly increasing the list of countries they serve. Well, that's all, folks. I really hope you've enjoyed the content of this video. And if you have, the only thing I ask is that you hit that like button, comment below, since your comments actually inform me of what other content to upload onto my channel. Share with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.